Okay, guys, so we're going to kind of wrap things up, but first of all, we're going to talk about practice routines out of bunkers. How many times during the week do y'all practice bunker shots? Not as much as you should. So if you had to guess, how many hours a week do you practice?
Maybe 45 minutes to an hour accumulative.
Accumulative, okay.
Throughout the week.
Okay.
Probably 30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes. Okay. So, first of all, if you want to be a really good bunker player, you got to develop a feel for it, okay? So you have to be able to practice out of it. So I would say whenever you're practicing, you got to spend at least an hour or more, at least a week, to be able to get better in the sand, okay? The next part of our, little practice sessions that we want to do, whenever you're in the sand, you want to give yourself some visual aids that you can actually help yourself learn where to bottom out the club. One of my favorites is drawing a line behind the sand. Okay, Jake, go ahead and take that set up real quick. Okay, so what are we trying to do here with that line behind that ball?
I'm trying to maybe hinge my hands before the line, and I want the club head to enter the sand where the line is.
Okay, very good.
I don't want to catch all wall. I want to hit behind it and splash it.
Okay, very good. So this may be considered a drill, but it's a really good practice tool whenever you're in the sand to help you visually decide where you're going to hit the sand at and not the ball, okay? What's another practice tool that we can use whenever we are in here in the sand and we're trying to spend some time to develop feel in? What else can we do?
Something for your feet.
Okay, something for your feet. Okay, very good. So have y'all ever thought about this whenever y'all are taking a setup, how many times you actually swish your feet around to get into the sand? Okay. Okay. So it's more of a feel preference, but I would say it's probably a good idea to kind of think about how many times you're going to move your feet around in order to get it dug in, because if you can do that consistently, it's a very good routine, correct, okay? So those are good practice techniques for us whenever we're in the sand to put into use.